How do you cover the hollows of your under eye? Okay, so here's the thing, guys. There are two reasons why your under eyes appear dark. Number one, it's either really dark. So let me zoom in. In my case, ito talaga yung dark. Yan. That is dark. That is darkness right there. Pangalawa, kaya dark yung under eyes ninyo, another reason is because of the hollow. When something is hollow, when something is receded, it becomes dark. Kaya nga, di ba, pag nagko-contour tayo, we use a grayer or darker shade to recede an area. So this one, this area is dark because it's hollow. So again, this is dark because it is dark, and then this is dark because it's hollow. So there are two solutions when you have dark under eyes. But before you arrive at a solution, you have to figure out what the problem is first. So for this area, because it's really dark, you need to color correct. But for this area, what you need to fix is the hollowness. So for today, I'm going to fix the hollowness so that I can prove to you na hollow under eyes, ang simple solution lang dyan is to highlight. Diba when we highlight, we use a lighter shade. So yung kapag naglalagay tayo ng concealer dito para mag-forward yung nose bridge natin, that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to move this forward. By the way, I discovered this new concealer. This is a local concealer. It's called La Reverie. Ang dami nilang, ang gaganda ng shade nila, guys. Go check it out. Anyway, so ganito yung gagawin natin, ha. We're going to highlight the hollow area so that we can bring it forward so that it doesn't look so hollow anymore. And you will see na mafi-fix niya yung hollowness, the darkness from the hollowness, but not the overall darkness of my under eye. So let me just blend this real quick. Lagyan ko na rin ng concealer lahat para makita niyo yung sinasabi ko na using a lighter concealer will only resolve yung hollowness and not yung overall darkness ng eye natin. Kasi nga, ang problem dito is it's sunken. Ayan, okay. So this area is still dark, as you can see. Pero yung hollowness, yung nandito, medyo nagpaharap na siya. However, your concealers are wet products, so they still reflect light. As much as possible, ayan, can you see it? This one is still dark, but this one isn't hollow anymore. You are going, syempre may limitation ng makeup natin, guys, ha? Don't expect na it's going to be like totally erased. Hindi naman flat, hindi 2D yung mga mukha natin. And then you take your powder, you take your mattifying powder. This is from Elana. And then you tap it on the area because this will help na hindi masyadong nagre-reflect ng light yung shininess or luminosity ng concealer ninyo. Ayan. So it's no longer as hollow as this one, but you can see that the dark area is still dark. So let this be a gentle reminder that if you're trying to cover your dark under eyes, please figure out why it's dark first. Diba? Dapat nag-think ng right. Dapat pro-divorce. Charot.